Hello everyone, we are going to see a physical term strain in elasticity. To understand the fundamental of strain, let us consider when a deforming force acting on a body. This changes the configuration, shape and size, sometime volume, sometime geometrical shape changes. In that condition, the body is considered as a deformed body. Body is considered as deformed body. This deformed body is called strained body or strained body, and this phenomena is called strain. Right? Strain mathematically defined as a ratio. What is the ratio here? Change in configuration of body by original configuration. So this is a ratio. Strain is defined as a ratio. See very carefully here in this. It is a ratio of what? Change in configuration of body by original configuration. This strain is a pure ratio. Pure ratio means it has no unit, no dimension. Right? This strain is a three type. Right? The first one is called longitudinal strain. Second is called volumetric strain. Volume strain, this is also called, and shearing strain. To understand the first, that is the longitudinal strain or tensile strain also called, let us see a wire of original length capital L. This deformed force F is acting to increase the length. As a result, its length is changed by delta n. So we may write change in length is equal to delta L. See, longitudinal strain is only related with change in length. We can consider for increase or decrease. So this is tensile strain and compressible strain. Stress. If tensile to increase and compressible to decrease, it means change in length by any way, either increase or decrease. Then strain is defined as, see the formula, change in configuration of body. So here measurable change in a length. So change in a length by original length L is called tensile. Tensile strain or longitudinal strain. It has no unit. Meter by meter, centimeter by centimeter, cancelled, no unit, no dimension. Now in the second one is the volumetric strain. In this strain, when deforming force changes, brings change in volume. Change in volume. This change in volume is due to deforming force. Then strain is called volumetric strain. This is force. Now see here in the diagram very carefully. Let outer sphere has a volume V. So this is original volume V. When deforming force acts here on it, and change in original volume is a capital V, and deformed volume, see in this, due to it, delta V. Change in volume is equal to delta V. In that condition, volumetric strain is defined as change in volume by original volume, delta V by V. See, this is very carefully. So this has also no unit and no dimension. It's explained in the beginning. Now see the third one, that is a shearing strain. This shearing strain is related with this when deforming force changes geometrical shape. Shape of deforming body, but no change in volume of a body. Right? Then the deformation measurement in mathematics is known as shearing strain. Let when a tangential force act on it, stress act on it, F. As a result, this cuboid is changes from its shape. See very carefully how it changes. This surface, see this is face, bends move, remains this is at their original position, and it changes. When it changes, the same deformations occur here outside. By this diagram, it is required to see with patience, with great care here in it. Right? Let this slope is measured theta here in this case. So angular change in the shape is theta here represented. It can also be represented in this form. Let this is L and change in length is delta L. Then shearing strain is denoted by theta, it is delta L by L. See very carefully. And it is also called tangential strain. So this is about the detailed concept of strain in elasticity. This is for today. Thank you and have a nice day to all.